What day is today? Can you tell me that in Spanish?
Sugar Astronaut presents Spanish Made Easy.
Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we will talk about dates, specifically when you want to refer to today's date. We will learn how to ask that and also how to answer the question, what's the date? But before, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, let's get started. There are two different ways to ask what's the date in Spanish. The first one is, ¿cuál es la fecha? ¿Cuál es la fecha? And the second question is, ¿a cuánto estamos hoy? ¿A cuánto estamos hoy? Basically, those two questions mean, what's the date? If someone asks you any of those two questions, then you can answer in two different ways. The first one is, hoy es el, and the second one is, estamos a. This is just the beginning of the sentence. We will have to add the date afterwards. To say the date, you have to know that you first need to say the day, second, the month, and third, the year. And in between the day and the month, you have to say de. And in between the month and the year, you will have to say del. Let's say the date is January 1st, 2018. So essentially, you can say, hoy es el primero de enero del 2018. Let's say it again. Hoy es el primero de enero del 2018. You could also say, estamos a primero de enero del 2018. Estamos a primero de enero del 2018. You need to keep in mind that the first day of the month will always be primero. So you always have to say primero and never say uno. That only happens with the first day of the month. The rest of the days can be said just as regular numbers in Spanish. For example, dos, tres, cuatro, 10, 20, or 30. Sometimes you don't have to say the year, but if you're filling out a form and you're asking the date, then you will have to say the year. Now let's try a different date. Let's say April 20th, 2017. I know that's in the past, but let's pretend that's today. You could say, hoy es el 20 de abril del 2017. Hoy es el 20 de abril del 2017. Or you could say, estamos a 20 de abril del 2017. Estamos a 20 de abril del 2017. So that's how you say today's date. Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to leave me today's date down below, obviously in Spanish, so that way you can practice what you learned today. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I'm on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, Instagram, Periscope, Snapchat. All the links are in the video description. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!